So last class we discussed AWS, right? In AWS, which one? Last one we discussed
auto scaling.
auto scaling. So anyone any doubt? So what is auto scaling and so how to configure and so how it will so work? So most of case we used interval also most of the people they are asking what is auto scaling and how it will work. Now in AWS, what are the services right? EC2 right? EC2 next VPC next
IAM,
subnet internet gateway IGW correct? IG internet gateway and route table and IAM next what else? S3 bucket మర్చిపోయినారా S3 bucket next ELB elastic load balancer next auto scaling correct. So anything, so already right, these are the services, major services, and how it will work and how to create some of them. So some of you concept already available, these all are small EBS volume and all, and right, image also how to create AMI also, right? AMI, if you want to create your own image, if you want to create your own image, how to create, this is also already last class we did, right? Let me open AWS concern. So this is enough. There is few services available, that and all I will cover in Terraform. Today we will going to start what is Terraform and how it will work. Shivakumar, 1 second. Wow. Okay. So now today we will go in. So here anyone any doubt? These are the AWS services already right. Now we are going to start Terraform. Interview also very important, and so nowadays most of the people so they are using so Terraform also. So first we'll see what is Terraform and how it will work. So first we'll see now this is right. Now first we'll see what is Terraform and how it will work, we'll see. So Terraform is simply we are calling now see here, this is the official website. If you want to know anything, so every DevOps tool there is one official tool. Every DevOps tool there is one official tool. This is a for Terraform. This is the one tool. See, Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool that lets you build, change, and version cloud and on-premises resources safely and efficiently. Now right. This is my cloud. There is many clouds available, right? So if you want to create any resource, I need one VM machines. I need one EC2 instance. As of now, how we are creating, guys? This is the AWS cloud. Just try to understand. This is the cloud. Correct? This is the AWS cloud. So I want to create, this is the AWS cloud. Not only AWS, this is the IBM cloud, I IBM cloud, or also Oracle cloud, any cloud. Okay. This is a cloud. I want to create infrastructure. Infrastructure means these things. Now you know many things, right? You know how to create EC2, how to create VPC, how to create subnet and all. Now, as of now, how I created EC2, guys? I created manually or I created some any automation and all. I need EC2 instance. I need one server. I need EC2 instance. For example, so Linux EC2 I need. How I created? As it how I created? Manual I created or some
Manual,
manually, right?
manual.
But real time nowadays this is the one of the topmost tool. So see here Terraform, very important interview, and also nowadays most of the people they are asking, do you know Terraform? Do you know Terraform? Now this is the so Terraform is a infrastructure as code tool. Simply infrastructure as a code tool. Any infrastructure. So I want to create some infrastructure in AWS, or I want an infrastructure. I need to create IBM, Oracle, anything. So that case you should go for Terraform. So so whatever you want, any services. AWS people they are providing many services, right? So AWS people they are providing many services, and with the help of so we can create with the help of we can create your environment. No need to create manually. As of now, if you want to create a EC2, I created manually. If I need any VPC, I created manually. If I need any subnet, I created manually. Internet gateway, routing table, IAM, S3 bucket, anything. As of now, you know, right? Few services. So what is the why you go for infrastructure? For example, same I need to EC2 instances or VPC subnet. So I need 10 VM missions, 10 servers I need to configure. How we can configure? 10 missions I need to configure. Okay. So we can configure 10 missions. So manually or as of now any automation, you know. No, right? So we need to create 10 VM missions one by one, and so whatever we want, so we can do it. Correct? I need 10 missions, and 10 missions I want to do, configure VPC, subnet, internet gateway, route table, IAM and all. I need to do something. So as of now, 10 missions we can create, and each mission we manually we are going to create a VPC, subnet, internet gateway, route table and all. Anything, not only this, any AWS resource. It will time waste, right? It will take long time, correct? Yes or no? It will take time. Next, manpower, right? What are the main advantages? Manpower. So see here, Terraform is an infrastructure as code tool that lets build, change, and any cloud. And this is the so Hasi Corporation. Terraform is an infrastructure. Who implemented this one? This is the Hasi Corporation. This is the one company. These people they implemented Terraform, and so any cloud. If you want to create any cloud, we can create it. So how it will work means, see how does Terraform work? Terraform creates and manages resources on the cloud platform. This is very important. If anyone is asking what is Terraform, what is Terraform? Terraform create infrastructure. What it will do? Terraform create infrastructure. Terraform create and manage resources. Resources means these are the resources. EC2 resource, VPC resource, subnet, IGC, and cloud platforms. So any cloud. For example, if now we know, right, AWS. In AWS we can do. Or if you have any IBM cloud, or any GCP, any cloud. So Terraform create, manages resources on cloud platform, any cloud. This is the major point. I hope you understand, right? So without manually, as of now, you know manually how to create these all resources. So same thing I am going to implement via Terraform. I am going to implement via Terraform. So Terraform is the one IOC infrastructure as code tool, and with the help of this we can create entire infrastructure. So here we are using so only right so text files. How we are writing Docker, right? How we are writing Docker? Same way. What is the Docker file? Any extension we are using? Already right? Docker. If we create any Docker, do we have any extension? Docker file. Do we have any extension? What Ashish? Sharath, Karan. I created one Docker file. Any Docker file extension ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా?
No.
No. But so if we create so any document, for example, I am creating one document, test data. What is the Windows extension? That is Word file, DOC, right? Correct. Excel, XCL, Excel file. And same way, if you work with any Terraform scripts, the extension should be .tf. The extension should be .tf. TF means
Terra.
Terraform. TF means Terraform. TF means Terraform. So general ga TXT files. There is different extension format, right? Text format, .txt files, .doc files, .log file, so exe, and .ppt, and same .tf means Terraform files. If somewhere if we see extension .tf, any file, what is that file? Terraform file. Simply we can understand what is this file name? Terraform file. This is also text files only. This is also text file. Don't confuse. This is also text files only, but extension should be TF. This is also text files only. Text files only, but extension should be so extension TF only. Extension .tf only. That is extension only .tf only. Clear? Anyone any doubt as of now? So this is the very important. Now see here, Terraform creates and manages resources on any cloud platform. So and also API, application programming interface. Providers enable Terraform work virtually any platform on the or service with a accessible API. This is the Terraform. This is the Terraform provider, and this is the target API. API means programming application. API means application programming interface. So it is connecting with the any cloud. So who implemented this one? Who implemented this one? Who implemented? Hasi Corporation and Terraform community. They have implemented this Terraform. So these are the some of major how it will work and all. And all. Now I will show you what are now go to here. Interview also many people they are asking. Just remember what is Terraform and how it will work and all. See here. So Terraform is a tool. So Terraform is a tool. F5, Control F5. Where is this? Sorry. F5, Control F5. Where is F5? Hmm. Now Terraform is a tool for building, changing or version infrastructure safely and efficiently. Now one more thing, what is this? If we create any in EC2 instance, any infrastructure in cloud, I created EC2 instance, guys. So while creating manually, so might be you can do some mistakes, right? Yes or no? Clear. I am going to configure one EC2 instance manually. I am going to configure EC2 instance manually. Maybe we missed some options. We are configuring extra things and all, right? Clear. See here how it will work. Terraform is a tool building, changing and versioning infrastructure safely and efficiently. Terraform can manage existing and popular services providers as well as custom in the house solutions. How it will work. And so for example here one more advantages. I created one right, one script, Terraform script. And so here everything provider, here there is a one block is there, provider is nothing but so which cloud you want to connect. So provider is nothing but which cloud. So suppose I am going to connect with my AWS cloud, we are using provider name AWS. Suppose in future if you want to change cloud, I am connect with IBM cloud, I am connect with GCP, I want to do some infrastructure, and that case simply we are changing so GCP. If you change GCP, so Terraform automatically find that GCP related plugin and it is downloading, it is connected with the particular cloud also. See here configuration files describes to Terraform components needed run a single application your entire data centers. Terraform generate and executes plan description whatever you want. So these are the main things. These are the main things. See here, this is also open source. Open source means here also no need to pay anything, no need to buy anything. Whatever you want, we can. And it is created by Hasi Corporation Company. And it is started in 2014 and it is written in Go language. This and all your basics only. No one is asking. So so no one is asking who implemented which language and all. But our understanding, this is also open source. And so this is created by Hasi Corporation Company. And so initially it is started 2014 and this is running in Go language and all. And this is a pluggable version and all. So Terraform is a tool. So simply if you want to understand, Terraform is a tool to build, change and version control in our infrastructure. Infrastructure means cloud. As of now, you know cloud, right? As of now, you know cloud. This is my AWS cloud. This is my AWS cloud. I want to create infrastructure in my AWS cloud. As of now, you know how to create manually EC2 instance or VPC or subnet or internet gateway, route table, S3 bucket, anything. I did manually. Same thing I am going to implement via so Terraform. That is the concept. Very simple. As of now, you know manually, and now I am going to do. So now I am going to do with the help of Terraform. Now see here, building infrastructure. Talk to multiple cloud infrastructure. So what is the advantage of Terraform? Terraform can connect multiple cloud. Terraform can connect multiple cloud. See here. So multiple cloud infrastructure providers. If I provide AWS means it will connect to the AWS cloud. If I give GCP, now Terraform knows it will connect to the GCP cloud. If I give Microsoft IBM, it will connect to the IBM cloud. That is the greatness of so Terraform. See here, talk to multiple cloud infrastructure providers and ensure creation and consistency and express in the API DSL. So domain specific so language. So based on your configuration, so that Terraform automatically connect that particular cloud and we can create entire infrastructure. Entire infrastructure. Now see here, and so infrastructure apply incremental changes, destroy when needed, and preview changes and scale easily. So see here, I created one EC2 instance manually. Just try to understand, guys. I created one EC2 instance manually, and I need one more instances. I need one more server. How we can do? At Sarath, I created one EC2 instance manually. Okay, I created one Linux EC2 instances. So later I realized
Okay.
I need one more instance or I need two more instances. How we can do? As of now, manually, right?
Yes.
Okay. But with the help of Terraform, so this is a script, right? Already we have script. See here, with the help of we can. So incremental. Incremental means if any changes, no need to go and modify the so EC2 and all. For example, I created one subnet. I created one subnet and so we don't know, right, under which VPC I created subnet and all. Already we have script. Suppose if we need one more subnet, directly I am changing my script. And so if you run script means, so we can see preview. See here, we can see preview and we can easily scale up, and whenever if you don't want, we can destroy. So destroy means deleted. Finally we are deleting, right? So for example, these are the EC2 instances. So these are the EC2 instances. If you don't want, we are coming, we are select manually and go to action, and we need to go to state. We need to click on the terminate button. So automatically instance gone, terminated, right? For example, I want to delete my VPC. How we are, this is irritating, right? See here, click on VPC, click on VPC, go to VPC, and see here, these are the VPCs already they created. Select VPC. This is the destroy. I don't want this one. If you want to delete, select this one and delete VPC. And see here, unable to delete. The VPC cannot delete until you complete the following action. So DevOps VPC available. VPC contains one or more network interface. See here, it is has one NAT gateway also. First go to NAT gateway. Where is NAT gateway? Go to NAT gateway. See here, there is one NAT gateway also. Select this one, action, delete. So we are doing manually, but with the help of Terraform, we can destroy entire infrastructure. Simply we can delete entire infrastructure. That is very simple. We'll see how it will work and all. So these are the some of major features. Whenever if you don't want, we can destroy immediately. And preview changes. For example, I created one VPC via script, Terraform script. It will show preview. What are the so resources we are going to create, that and all we can check it also. Now see here, and this is the Terraform takes variables as a input, and here also there is a concept variables. Here also there is a different, we can declare the variables. So we can declare variables, and whenever we need, so we can call it. So whenever we need, we can so call it those variables. We can call variables. We can call variables. In so variables in Jenkins also there is some environment variables, right? In Docker also we are declaring some variables. In Docker also we are declaring, in Ansible also we are declaring variables, right? Same concept here also. Same concept here also. So here also Terraform also there is a variable concept. Whatever variables we have, we can declare all variables whenever we need. So we can call it. And there's a different types of variables. JSON format we can declare, HCL format, CLI format. We'll see practically how it will work. So this is the variables, right? Now there is a so output. Output means I want to print. I want to print something. I want to print something. If we declare any variable, so how we are printing assets? How we are printing as in Linux? How we are printing? Echo we are using, right? Echo. If you use variable name dollar variable name X means it will print, right? Yes or no? Clear? In same way, in Ansible, how we are printing? Ansible, if you declare any variable, Ansible అయిపోయిందా? How we are printing variables? What Ramya? How we are printing variables? Ansible. What Ashish? మర్చిపోయినారా? MSC message, we are printing variables, right? Same way in Terraform also there is a variable concept. If you want to print, there is a output block. There is a out. There is a output. See here, there is a output. So output specific text IP addresses console in JSON format. So I declare variables, and if you want to print, so this is the black output. This is the output. So output, and we can give any name, and so my name just and under this we are going to print. So we are going to print this and all. We are going to print this and all. This variable. First we are declaring the variables. First we are declaring the variables, and if you want to print, we are using the output block. This is the input and all. We are going to give. So that is the declaration. Now see here, providers, configuration of the resource provider, cloud, DNS provider, and often requires URL, API, whatever you want. So provider means any provider we can connect. So these are the modules. There is one more main advantage is here modules. There were one more main advantage is modules. Okay, here one more main advantage is models. So model means, for example, I have a project. I have many models. So models is nothing but, right? We are some common functionality we are keeping somewhere. Reusability. The main thing is, right? Reusability. So project means, in real time project means there is many models, right? There is many models. So there is 5 developers working parallelly. See, this is a project. Simply understand. Anyway, this is the one concept. We will see later. So model means some of common functionality we are keeping one place, and so whatever you needed, so that and only we are calling particular area, that is particular environment. For example, this is the test environment, this is the dev environment, this is the test environment, this is the dev environment, and few people working dev environment, few people working test environment. For all there is some common functionality, right? That and all we are keeping in the model. అంటే కామన్గా యూస్ చేసేదంతా మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, ఒక సమ్వేర్ వీఆర్ క్రియేటింగ్, and whenever you need we are calling that code we are using, that is calling that code and all, that is calling so that code and all. Anyway, this is separate concept, we'll see. Okay, so now see here, this is the plan. So here more majorly there is 4 commands. Terraform mostly we are using, these are the commands. Terraform mostly we are using, these are the commands. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform init command. So Terraform init command. Where is that? Plan, apply. These are the some of the commands. Destroy. These are the so some of basic commands. Terraform plan means first Terraform init. Init means it will download. Terraform init means it will download the it will download the plugin. It will download the that related so cloud plugin. It will download the plugin. For example, in if you use so here GCP means GCP related plugin it will download. Suppose if you use AWS means AWS related plugin it will download. Suppose if I use IBM related plugin it will download. That's it. Very simple. Now next command Terraform plan. Plan is nothing but right, see here, to view the execution plan. Plan means what resource we are going to create, what resource you are going to create in real world, that is means in our cloud. Just I written one script, guys. Just I written one Terraform script, and so I want to see, right? I want to see, so that case we are using so plan means it will execute the view the plan execution plan. అంటే మనం ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయబోతున్నాం, సో దట్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఇట్ విల్ విజిబుల్ ఇన్ ద అండర్ దిస్ కమాండ్ plan. I want to implement that, I want to implement, if you want to implement, this is the Terraform apply. Apply means execute the plan. Execute means that real resource will be created in the cloud. The resources created in the cloud. That is means actual. That is means execute the plan. So destroy means so if you want to destroy, we can destroy the your resources. Destroy the resources. So these are the mostly we are using these commands only. Apart from this, we are not going to use anything. Only 4 commands. Terraform entire mostly. Remaining and all small. Terraform init command, and so Terraform plan command, and so Terraform init, Terraform plan apply, and so Terraform destroy. These are the so main commands. These are the major commands. Init means it will download that related plugin. It will download that related plugin. Plan means it will what we are going to create. అంటే మనం ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయబో view the execution plan. View the execution plan. Apply means execute your plan. Apply means execute your plan. Destroy means so destroy the existing infrastructure and all. Destroy the existing infrastructure and all. That's it. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? So these are the major 4 commands only. Mostly Terraform we are using these 4 commands. Terraform init command, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy. And see here, destroy means so Terraform destroy, delete all resources. For example, I created EC2 instance, I created VPC instance, IPT, VPT, EC2, VPC resource, subnet, internet gateway, IZ table. If you want to delete manually all these things, how we can delete, guys? I created these things, I want to delete all these things, I don't want, but real time we don't use a destroy. Maybe it will delete all, don't use this one. And so see here, select all these things one by one, we are going to delete, right? We are going to delete subnet and all. So instead of selecting all, instead of selecting one by one, whatever you want, route table, internet gateway, I want to delete all these things. Simply there is a one command, destroy command. Simply one command, destroy command, but don't use this in real time. Don't use, for practice purpose we can use, but don't use this destroy command. Destroy means it is deleting, it is delete the existing resources and all. Okay, real time lo ఇది మీరు వాడకూడదు. Okay. So whatever we want, we are going to delete only that particular resource. Now see, this is the state file. This is very important. First will come, what is plan? See here, Terraform plan. Create a plan of changes required. Plan is nothing but on చూపిస్తుంది just what is your plan, what resource we are going to create, what resource we are going to create. So that is nothing but a Terraform plan. That is nothing but a Terraform plan. That's nothing a infra. Infra means I am going to create these are the resources. That and all it will visible in the under the plan. So apply means Terraform apply. Applies plan make all changes. Can make the plan before it needed. Apply means it is going to create the actual resources. అంటే మీ క్లౌడ్లో మన రిసోర్స్ మొత్తాన్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. ప్లాన్ మీన్స్ జస్ట్ ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ విజిబుల్ ఓన్లీ, జస్ట్ it is showing. Once that is done, if we need really, we are giving apply means it will create all it will so applies the plan, make all changes, can make the plan before if needed. So now if you give apply command, there is a one state file. State file is nothing but a current no state of your infrastructure. This is very important. What is state file? And so what data contain in this? Enter also many people they are asking, state file is nothing but right, current know the current no state of the infrastructure. అంటే మీ క్లౌడ్లో మన క్లౌడ్లో ఏ రిసోర్స్లు క్రియేట్ చేసామో వయా టెరాఫామ్, దట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మెయింటైనింగ్ అండర్ ద స్టేట్ ఫైల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ మెయింటైనింగ్ 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 ద స్టేట్ ఫైల్. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt as of now?
No.
Okay, this is the next stored in the state file or externally, and this file we can store anywhere. If you want to, we can store S3 bucket, or if you want to, we can store local machine, and that information it is stored into the state file. State is nothing but so state is nothing but this actual resource, your infrastructure. అంటే మనం ఏమేం క్రియేట్ చేసాం మన క్లౌడ్లో. నేను విపిసి క్రియేట్ చేశాను, S3 create chesa. I created a EC2 instance, one S3, one IAM, one internet gateway, subnet. So this information and all it is maintaining in the state file. Store in the file or externally. And this is also locking mechanism. This is very important. What is locking mechanism? Many people are. Locking is nothing but very simple. This is the state file. Just assume. This is the state file. Just assume. This is the state file. Where is this? So my now come to here. So now I created one state file. Already I have one state file. Anyway, coming classes we'll see. Just I am seeing overview. Lock mechanism means, and so entire infrastructure available in the state file, right? My total, my infrastructure. This is the state file. My entire infrastructure information available in the state file. So here locking mechanism is very important. Locking. Locking means so I am the two developer. For example, here Sharath is working. Here also some Ramya is working. Both are working same project. Both are working Terraform. Okay. Now I have a Terraform means this is entire script only, right? For example, both are modified same file. Both are modified same file. How it will work, guys? Modified same file. Both modified same file, and both are running same time. Both are running same time. And how it will work? Anyone guess it? ఇప్పుడు ఇద్దరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. దిస్ ఇస్ మై టెరాఫామ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ మై టెరాఫామ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై టెరాఫామ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై టెరాఫామ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై టెరాఫామ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఓకే, and so Sharath and both are working same script, and both are running same time. Which is first, which is second? For example, Sharan first run చేశాడు అనుకుందాం. Just assume Sharan click on first command. He run the first. Okay, now script is executing, right? Correct. And same time Ramya also started script running the command. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది? అర్థమవుతుందా? క్లియర్? వాట్ కిరణ్? క్లియర్? ఆశిష్?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now in this concept there is one one concept they are meaning locking mechanism. Locking mechanism means first in first out, you know, right? First in first out అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ అంటే మీనింగ్ అర్థం కలదా? ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎవరు రన్ చేశారో ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళ స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ అయిపోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు రన్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళ స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ అవ్వాలి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు మెయింటైన్ లైక్ దిస్ వీ గో ఫర్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్. దర్ ఈస్ లాకింగ్ మెకానిజం. విచ్ మెకానిజం? లాకింగ్ మెకానిజం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద లాకింగ్ మెకానిజం. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ శరత్ రన్ చేశారు అట్లీస్ట్ 1 సెకండ్ గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇద్దరు
Yes,
ఒకే
sir.
టైంలో రన్ చేశారు, ఓకే. బట్ అట్లీస్ట్ ఎనీ వన్ ప్రెస్ ఎంటర్ బటన్ అట్లీస్ట్ 1 సెకండ్ బిఫోర్, రైట్? ఎవరో ఒకరు ముందు కొట్టుంటారు కదా. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ శరణ్ జస్ట్ క్లిక్ చేశాడు అనుకుందాం సేమ్ కమాండ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఎవరికి ప్రయారిటీ ఇస్తుంది? ఫస్ట్ శరత్. వన్స్ శరత్ ది ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఈస్ డన్, నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ అలౌ టు రమ్య ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్. దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లాకింగ్ మెకానిజం. అదర్వైజ్ వెరీ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. ఓకే, ఈ మెకానిజం లేదనుకో రియల్ టైంలో వీఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ మెనీ ఇష్యూస్. So this is the one of the great concept, right? So Terraform provide one mechanism, locking mechanism. Locking mechanism means first in first out. For example, if Ramya first Ramya run చేసిన command, script is same only. Both are working same project, both are working same project, same script. We don't know, right? When I am going to run my command, when I am going to run my command. So that case we are going to use so Terraform locking mechanism. Terraform locking mechanism. Anyway, coming classes we'll see practically how it will work. So this is the state file, and destroy, state, plan, view and all. I hope we got some idea, right? What is Terraform and how it will work? Clear? What, Sarath? Assis?
Yes.
Okay, this is very very important, real time. Nowadays most of the people, earlier we are using manually. Okay, but anyway, if you want to work with Terraform, first you need to know manually how to create EC2 and all. Otherwise we cannot work with the Terraform. Work చేయొచ్చు but very difficult. ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ AWS తెలుసు. I need one EC2 instance. If you want to create EC2 instance, you know how to create manually in AWS. And same way, these are the manual steps. That steps and all I am going to implement Terraform script. That's it. Very simple. If you know manually, we can easily implement a script. That is the only one thing. So how it will work and all. What is Terraform destroy? Destroy means, but real time don't use this one. Destroy means it will delete all resources in our cloud. In our cloud. So, but this is only our practice purpose. Local only we can use destroy command, but don't use destroy in real time. Please make sure that remember, don't use. Okay. And so these are the commands: Terraform init command, Terraform plan command, Terraform apply. And so init means it will download the related plugin. Plan means view the execution plan. Apply means execute the plan. And destroy means destroy the infrastructure. That's it. Destroy the infrastructure. So these are the what is, you can declare variable concept also available if you want to print output. And so there is module concept. And so there is a locking mechanism. And so these are the some of the major so topics in Terraform. So Terraform, if anyone is asking what is Terraform means, this is Terraform is a very simple. So what is, if anyone is asking what is Terraform and how it will work, so this is the infrastructure as a code tool. So infrastructure as a code tool. With the help of, we can create resource in our any cloud. If you any cloud, wherever you want, we can create. Not only now, as of now, you know, right? As of now, you know, AWS cloud. I am going to create my all resources in AWS cloud only. Suppose if you want to implement IBM cloud, we can use IBM also. If you suppose if you want to implement infrastructure, Google, GCP also. That is these are the so Terraform provider and target API. Target API. So target API. These are the, so just understanding purpose. And the next class we'll see. So we'll create next class we'll create install the Terraform, and we'll create one resource in cloud. We can easily understand. So just I hope you got some idea, right? Not 100%. I hope you got some idea, right? What is what? Anyone any doubt?
No doubt.
So this is the very important. So if you mention in so resume, so most of the people they are asking Terraform some questions also. That questions every day I am giving. Just noted those questions. That's enough. Apart from this, they won't ask anything. So concept is very simple here only, but we need to understand how it will work. So this is the concept, very simple only. The main thing is with the help of Terraform, we can create infrastructure in any cloud. That is the major point. A Terraform use చేసి మన ఏ cloud లో, as of now I created manually all resources. I don't want create manually. నేనేం చేయాలి? సో వయా స్క్రిప్ట్ ద్వారా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. సో నౌ వీ షుడ్ గో ఫర్ సో Terraform. This is the one powerful concept. This is implemented by ASI Corporation. This is the official website. And see ASI Corp developer. This is the official website. Whatever you want, we can go here. Whatever you want, we can go here. Whatever you want, we can go here. And and these people, they are providing very clear documentation also. Very clear documentation also. For example, I want to create one EC2 instance. You don't know how to create EC2 instance with the help of Terraform. See here, AWS EC2 in Terraform. If you type means, so they will provide everything syntax. Now see here, see AWS underscore instance example AMI. If you want to create what are you needed instance type, they selected subnet ID, they selected and how many CPUs they want, what is the tag name, everything are very clearly they are providing Terraform people. You don't worry. So everything they are providing, and with the help of we can create very simple. Okay. Anyway, coming classes we can understand how to create and all. So everything provided by clear documentation, Terraform people, and just whatever you want, just search and copy and paste mostly. So it will work. Mostly it will work. I hope you got some idea, right? Theoretically, what is Terraform and what is the use and why you go for Terraform and all. And so next class we'll see and how to install Terraform and how to create resources with the help of Terraform, AWS resources. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt as of now?
No,